Hello, folks. Welcome to our 1000 Minds project. This was a group project for Baker College Business Analytics. This is group number 1, consisting of Paige, Antoine, myself, that's me, Lindy, and Nicole. The purpose of this project was to make a restaurant selection based on predefined criteria utilizing the 1000 Minds website. The 1000 Minds website basically is a site that allows multiple users to collaborate on making educated decisions based on agreed upon criteria. And so we'll get moving on this one. This is actually the second part of the project. The first part of the project we did an earlier module, but on this section, our group added three alternative restaurants of Chili's, Applebee's, and TGIF to our already selected restaurants of Olive Garden, Texas Roadhouse, and Red Lobster. We also added the 3 criteria of speed of service, cost, and attentiveness of server to our already selected criteria of cleanliness, ambiance, and quality of food. Should be good. The setup. The setup's always the important thing. So the first step was the setup. So we all signed up for 1000 Minds accounts. Of course, we used the free trial, so we didn't have to pay, tricks of the trade. And depending on what you need, you set up your model. So our model was restaurant choices. The activity mode, we checked the radio button that says selection, considering other factors too. The next step was to pick our criteria again. We picked in cleanliness, you could go filthy, acceptable, or spotless. Ambiance, we could go below average, so-so, or good. And quality of food, we could go below average, so-so, or good. Okay, now we're going to move on to the original criteria. The new criteria. The new criteria we added was speed of service, and we had choices of slow, so-so, or fast. And on cost, we basically gave it $1 sign, $2 signs, and $3 signs. $3 signs being the most expensive, $1 sign being the least expensive. And attentiveness of server is below average, so-so, or good. I don't know about you folks, but I always say the attentiveness of the server will be reflected in the tip. So our restaurant choices or alternatives, as it is on the 1000 Mind site, again, we got Applebee's, Chili's, Red Lobster, Texas Roadhouse, and TGIF. So basically ranked them with all our categories, and I'll tell you the results, which is on the decisions column. So this is the way our alternatives ranked. TGIF rated acceptable. Ambiance was good. The quality of food was good. I don't know about that, but we'll go with this. Speed of service was fast, and the cost was reasonable at $1 sign. Attentiveness of server was good, and they ranked number 1 at 90.7%. Texas Roadhouse came up second. Cleanliness acceptable. Ambiance is so-so. I agree. Quality of food so-so. I disagree, but we'll go with that. Speed of service was fast. Cost was $2 signs, which is about right. Attentiveness of server was good. As long as they keep those rows coming, we're good to go, And they ranked number 2. Total score of 60.5%. Yeah, would I rank personally TGI Fridays over Texas Roadhouse? No, not at all. But we'll go with this for this project. Number 3 was some genuine fake Italian food. The Olive Garden. Cleanliness rated filthy. I'm not even going to read the rest because if it's not clean, I'm walking out anyway. They tied, believe it or not, with Texas Roadhouse, which is ludicrous. I don't know how we came to that, but whatever. Total score of 60.5% also. I have to disagree. Red Lobster came in 4th. And again, They were acceptable in cleanliness, but the ambiance was so-so. It is kind of dark and dated. I agree. Quality of food so-so. They are hit or miss. Speed of service was so-so. I agree. Again, the cost was $3 dollar signs. Attentiveness of server was good, but they ranked number 4. Now I would probably personally rank them probably third on this one. They ranked at 55.8% collectively, with all of us putting our heads together, which is what 1,000 Minds is all about. Applebee's ranked filthy on cleanliness, so I'm not going to read the rest. We're just going to go with it. They came in 5th at 37.2%, and Chili's came in dead last. Cleanliness was acceptable. Ambiance was below average. Quality food so-so. I disagree. I think they're trying to do better. Criteria, speed of service was so-so, and attentiveness of server was so-so. Hey, you're only as good as your staff, right? And they ranked number 6 with a total score of 32.6. So I hate to say it, but TGIF is what we put our minds together and came up with. That's the decision that we made. So now you know a little bit about 1,000 Minds. You know a little bit about restaurants too, which is a side bonus. Like I said, and you know that I don't agree with this choice personally, but hey, I'm gonna have to go with the general consensus. So that's all from me for right now. So thank you for taking time to check this video out, and see you soon.
That's all, folks.